This is a Mexican state with the highest growth and projection, for the next 3 years. There are many of them. Some of them are noted are in the north, Nuevo León. This is it's one of the largest cities that we have are Monterrey, Nuevo León, Guadalajara, in the city of Tequila, in Occidente, and Puebla, of course, in the middle of the country, and then, well, after Mexico City, right? But then there are the three largest cities. The others are in the middle of the country with a pretty decent size. But as you can see here, Jalisco is Guadalajara, the tequila. Guanajuato is the area for Silao, automotive. Aguascalientes area for textiles. State of Mexico, diversified automotive and many others. Nuevo León, in the north, technology, cars. San Luis Potosí, automotive. Querétaro, aerospace, automotive, and Ciudad de México.